Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Welcome everybody, guys. Let's take a look at the Bitcoin market. So here price starts to show some activity, and our doubts on some bearish reversal that we have announced in the previous week, on Friday, on Thursday we have talked about it, has been confirmed by the price action. So because market was behaved a bit natural for a normal bearish market, it shows some consolidation instead of turning down, and that has led us to a conclusion that probably we could get another spike up, another upward continuation, because market starts to show some bullish signs. And we said that you could keep an eye on the high wave pattern and take a look at the extreme points of the high wave on the follow time frame chart. Depending on the direction of the breakout, the market will follow in this direction. And that has happened. So a bit later I will show you what has happened on the daily chart. Sorry, on the intraday charts. Right now on the daily, you could see that the market is continuing with our suggestion of the greater ABCD pattern. So completion of this pattern also will not break overall bearish tendency yet, because to break it, market has to climb above this top and erase this sell-off. In this case, market will form higher top compared to previous one, starts to form higher lows and higher tops, and that could lead to the more significant upward pullback. But currently, while market stands inside of the swing of this drop, we're still watching for just ABCD kind of action and kind of the Gartner's triple to sell here on daily. So currently it's not the time yet for taking the short position, because market could proceed higher within the few sessions. So take a look what will happen on the hourly chart. That is our former hand and shoulders pattern, and that is our high wave pattern that we have mentioned. And we talked on Friday, keep an eye on the direction of the breakout. So take a look what has happened here. As soon as market has moved above the high wave, it has continued upward action, and hand and shoulders pattern totally has been erased. Even more, if you will calculate the height of this pattern and count it in upward direction, you will get approximately the same distance. So from the classical technical analysis, market has completed the target of the high wave pattern. So that's what we have right now on the hourly chart. So setup has worked, and in the nearest sessions we need to keep an eye on the completion of 4-hour time frame extensions. So if we remember, we have two extensions. First extension starts here, it's initial extension, A, B, C bottom. OP has been completed, XOP stands on 40.85. With the gradient daily pattern, we have the A, B, C bottom equals CD pattern, and that has approximately the same target, again around 40.85. Since the CD legs right now stands faster than AB, some acceleration, it means that market should proceed right to this target, and it is very probable that this action will be finalized by the butterfly. So it will be either more probable this will be 1618, because 127 butterfly target stands slightly below the XOP, so it's not will be sufficient for completion. So because I would, by this reason, I suggest that probably will be kind of the 1618, probably somewhere around 41 even, 4098 is precise number. 41 even could be completed. And in this case we will get here, as you can see, Gartner's triple to sell. So it will be initial XA downward action, ABCD retracement, that will give us Gartner's triple to sell. And here this will be a very important moment, because at this point, guys, the normal bearish market should finish retracement, because this is ultimate level for retracement. And if market will proceed high, starting challenging of these tops, it will mean that bearish market is not valid anymore, at least in the short-term perspective. And on the daily chart, we should be ready for a breakout and taking out of this top and greater upward continuation on the daily chart. So, because this will be, as I call it, moment of truth for the bearish trend. So if bearish trend is still valid, market has to reverse down right at this point. If this will not happen, be prepared for a further upward direction breakout of the recent top and further rally on the daily chart. But currently today we're just watching for completion of this target and watching for forming of this butterfly pattern and reaching of the 40.85, 41 even area.